morning, guys. We have a whole new day of adventures, and I'm so excited. Mousy and Bobby, are you guys excited? Yeah. So, we're going to go to the camp spot, and we're going to get some breakfast. And then, I don't know, I'm not sure what we're going to do, but it's going to be awesome. Should I shoot one, guys? And that's the little arrow thing. Give me the easy one. Just kidding. Give me the hard one.
I'm not sure if you can clutch back.
Yeah, you could. Yeah.
Looked like a little doll to me. I took this one pickup.
Aren't I strong?
You are. You're oddly strong, actually. Kind of freaks me out sometimes.
Yeah, I am very strong. These little stringy arms are strong.
These little string beans.
Yep, because it comes from in here, not in here.
Comes from where?
That vein. Just kidding. On my mind.
You're like all the way back to your chin, and then when you let go, you go like this.
Okay.
Pull your...
Well, I'm going to do it. Let's go.
You got it.
Yeah!
And there
On my
it
first
is.
time ever, I hit the target. Most people don't even hit the target on that first time.
I went bullseye. What you talking about?
Yeah, but you've ever done it before. Guys, I'm sleeping in the bed of the truck because I took Benadryl because I'm eaten alive by the mosquitoes. So I'm taking a nap because the Benadryl is knocking me out. Ouchie.
Turn. You got eaten alive.
But my sisters are making some mojitos, so I want to go see. Let's go. Guys, how is the mojitos going?
Better now that you're here.
Oh, thanks, Kippy.
I need a mother.
What?
Reviews for the barista.
Wow. I have a jungle in my mouth.
I mean, we made a raspberry dragonberry mojito.
They're so good. Chew on your bone. He was chewing on this earlier. It's a tree. Better put that in the water, little babies. Mama. Hi, Mama. Guys, we're playing this game. What's it called, Dad?
Washers.
Washers. Oh yeah, I feel like I've played this before, but it's kind of like cornhole, and that's what we would always used to play is cornhole. Dad still has it, so I filled it up and I'm just drinking out of it, you know? I'm staying hydrated.
Make me feel so good.
Guys, I'm helping my dad make dinner. I just wrapped up some potatoes. I put them in the microwave. I have more in the microwave. I'm taking them out. I gotta take this plastic off them and wrap them in foil, but they're really, really hot. Really, really, really hot. Literally hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato. My eyes are watering because I got so much smoke in them.
Yep, burn away, guys.
Mama's in here too. Say hi. Dad's making a cobbler in here. What kind of cobbler, Dad?
Apple.
Apple cobbler in there.
Bronson requested.
Is it good, Savvy?
I have marshmallows on mine.
She put marshmallows on her sweet potato. Is it good, Bronny? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hey, Wawa, does this look good?
I don't know how to cook in it, but I like when Joe cooks.
So I guess water takes forever. A full bottle of water takes forever to melt.
Isn't that crazy?
It's compressing. I think it might pop that way.
For comparison. Comparatively speaking.
Holy crap, was it hot?
Well, you put my fire out.
I didn't do it, the water did.
Just caught all the spiders from the shower that I said I was gonna catch. And I'm gonna let them go outside. Look at them.
Get out of here.
Bye, buddies. Everyone wanted to kill them, but I was like, no! So just got the shower. Now I'm going night-night, and I'll see you guys in the AM. I have a lot of bug bites all over my face, so just don't look at me. I'm not gonna. and because I grind my teeth really bad, so. See you.